Just a brief intro. Videos like this for the science of explanation are really meant to be introductions to big ideas that we're going to refer to later. So it's going to seem brief and pretty basic, but that's okay because we're building up to really big, powerful ideas. With that said, on with the show. Explanation seems simple. We know something, we explain it clearly, and then the other person knows it. When we speak, write, or create, it can seem like knowledge is transferred to another mind. But cognitive science tells us this is not how it works. Knowledge is unique to each brain and can't be transferred directly. It's like your sense of smell. You can't just give it to someone else. All you can do is help their mind recognize it. To be useful, our knowledge has to be expressed in the real world outside of our minds. To make that happen, we create representations of our knowledge in the form of words, drawings, actions, and more. When we do it well, the other person can build their own sense of understanding. If we do it poorly, they get confused. Explanation is the skill of putting a version of your knowledge into the real world in a way that works for other minds.